Today's student is going to be the scientist of tomorrow. We firmly believe that. And that's the reason, as the CEO of Biotechnica, I have always come up with newer ways to challenge you all with newer technologies. And this time we have a special open challenge and a reward for all those students who have joined our Bioinformatics global internship. All those students who have taken the admission into this internship. Here is an open challenge for all of you. In the next 6 months, if you publish one paper, you will get rupees 10,000 as a cash prize. And if you publish 2 papers, then we will give you a research assistant position in Biotechnica as a permanent employee with a starting salary of 3 lakhs per annum or more. Okay, based on your performance in the interview. So minimum guaranteed salary of 3 lakhs per annum will be given to you if you are able to publish 2 papers in Bioinformatics or AIML with us. Now, why are we doing that? Because we have so many, in fact, 140 plus projects from foreign clients, and we want more hands. So we want you to contribute towards the research. We want you to join us, and we want you to do the research with us. So we are going to offer a job to all those who publish 2 papers with our scientists. So the condition is you must have done that research in Biotechnica while you're doing the internship, and then you should have gone ahead and published that paper in a Scopus Index journal. So that's the open challenge to all those students who have enrolled, and all those who have not enrolled. Here is your chance to enroll, and who knows, you may be the scientist of tomorrow right here in Biotechnica. Remember, research assistant is the starting position. Later on, as you progress in your career, as you gain experience, as you build more patents with us, we will obviously be increasing your salary and incentives. So here is the first challenge to all those who have enrolled with us. Now, for all those students who have joined us from different parts of the world, of course, we will not be able to give you the same thing what we are offering to the Indian students. But yes, we will have a work from home job for those who are joining us from different parts of the world, and they are taking internship in Biotechnica for Bioinformatics. So you will also get a chance to work with us on our client's project. So this is a great opportunity for all of you to first train yourself and then work with us and then get a job with us. Work as a research assistant, climb up the ladder and become a scientist with us. And then let's make a bright career for you and a bright research environment and ecosystem for all of us, for our clients. And that's how we'll grow the bioinformatics field. We'll grow you and we'll grow Biotechnica. Thank you. Take care. Keep shining. Bye-bye.